Mechanics spend all day fixing cars. They know exactly which ones fall apart, and exactly which ones don't. So, what do they drive when they go home? Not a $60,000 luxury SUV, not a flashy German sedan, and almost never what the TV commercials tell you to buy. Today I'm giving you the insider list, 5 cars that professional mechanics quietly buy for themselves, all under $20,000. And once you see why, you're going to question every car purchase you've ever made. These aren't boring economy boxes. We're talking about vehicles with bulletproof reputations, dirt-cheap running costs, and the kind of longevity that the dealership absolutely does not want you to know about. We're pulling data from Consumer Reports, J.D. Power, and real-world mechanic forums, not manufacturer press releases. Hit subscribe and the notification bell right now. We do this every week. No sponsors, no fluff, just the truth about cars. Let's get into it. Number 5, the Honda Fit. And yes, I know what you're thinking. It's small, it looks basic. But here's what mechanics know that you probably don't. The Honda Fit has one of the lowest repair frequency rates of any car sold in America. RepairPal gives it a reliability rating of 4.5 out of 5.0, ranking it first in the subcompact class. Average annual repair costs? Just $390. Compare that to the industry average of $650, and you're saving over $260 every single year just in repairs. Over 10 years, that's $2,600 back in your pocket before you've even touched fuel or insurance. And the 1.5-liter engine in these? Nearly indestructible. Mechanics call it a zero-drama powertrain. Clean examples from 2015 to 2020 regularly sell for $12,000 to $17,000, well within budget. It's not fast, it's not glamorous, and your ego might take a small hit at the valet, but your bank account won't. Mechanics buy this because it simply does not break. That's the whole point. Number 4, the Toyota Camry V6, specifically the 2012 to 2017 generation. This is the car that mechanics point to when someone asks them for a no-nonsense recommendation. The 3.5-liter V6 in this generation is widely regarded as one of the most durable engines Toyota ever produced. It's not unusual to find these pushing 250,000 to 300,000 miles with only basic maintenance. Consumer Reports gave this generation of Camry above-average reliability ratings consistently across the board. J.D. Power's Vehicle Dependability Study placed it at or near the top of the midsize segment for multiple consecutive years. That's not marketing. That's a decade of real owner data. You can find clean examples of a V6 Camry right now for $11,000 to $18,000. And parts? Everywhere. Labor is cheap because every mechanic has worked on 1,000 of these. It's not exciting to drive. The handling is soft, the styling is conservative, but if you want a car that gets out of your way and lets you live your life, this is the one. When a mechanic tells you just get a Camry, this is exactly what they mean. Number 3, the Lexus is. And this is where it gets interesting. Most people think buying a used luxury car is financial suicide, high repair bills, expensive parts, dealer horror stories, and for most European luxury brands, they're right. But Lexus is the exception, and mechanics know it. The Lexus is shares its platform and core mechanicals with Toyota. That means you get the build quality, the interior refinement, and the prestige badge, with Toyota-level reliability underneath. RepairPal rates Lexus as the #1 most reliable luxury brand, with average annual repair costs of just $551. That's lower than Honda's brand average. A clean 2010 to 2013 Lexus is 250 or IS 350 can be had for $13,000 to $19,000. You get heated and ventilated seats, a premium audio system, and a cabin that still feels expensive today. And the 2GR FE V6 in the IS 350. It is genuinely one of the great naturally aspirated engines of the last 20 years. Fuel economy is mediocre, and if you want the IS 350, good examples at the top of budget move fast. Shop carefully. Mechanics buy this because it's the only way to get genuine luxury without the European repair bill. We still have 2 cars left, and the top 2 are where mechanics really separate themselves from the average buyer. Number 2 in particular is a car most people walk straight past on the lot. Don't go anywhere. Number 2, the Mazda 3 or Mazda 6, 2014 to 2019. Mazda doesn't get the credit it deserves. While everyone argues about Toyota versus Honda, Mazda has been quietly building some of the most reliable, driver-focused, well-engineered cars on the market. Consumer Reports has ranked Mazda as the most reliable automotive brand in America, above Toyota, for multiple recent years. Let that sink in. The Skyactiv engine family is a mechanical masterpiece. Simple, naturally aspirated, excellent fuel economy, and extraordinarily low failure rates. Mechanics love working on these because there is almost nothing to fix. Average annual repair costs for the Mazda 3 sit around $433, among the lowest in any segment. And here's the bonus. Mazda's interiors from this era punch significantly above their price point. Clean 2016 to 2019. Mazda 3 or Mazda 6 examples land squarely in the $12,000 to $19,000 range. The one downside, resale value has improved, which means good examples are getting harder to find at bargain prices. Move quickly when you find a clean one. Mechanics rate this above Honda and Toyota for reliability. The market just hasn't fully caught up yet, and the number one car mechanics secretly buy, the Toyota 4Runner 3rd or 4th generation, 1996 to 2002. Ask any mechanic with 15-plus years of experience what they'd buy if they needed something to last them the rest of their life. A huge percentage of them will say a used 4Runner, specifically the generation built before modern vehicles became rolling computers. These trucks are simple, body-on-frame construction. A 3.4-liter V6 or inline-4 with a bulletproof reputation, manual locking hubs on many trim levels, no adaptive cruise, no 14-camera parking system, no complex dual-clutch transmission to rebuild. Just mechanical engineering done right. Real-world examples regularly hit 300,000 miles with basic maintenance. There are documented cases of 400,000 and 500,000-mile 4Runners still on the road. The Land Cruiser 80 series shares this same DNA and this same reputation, arguably even more rugged, though prices have climbed sharply in recent years. Budget $14,000 to $20,000 for a well-maintained example. It's not the cheapest option on this list, but mechanics will tell you, buy it once, maintain it properly, and you may never need another vehicle. Rust is the enemy on older examples. Always inspect the frame and undercarriage thoroughly before purchase. A pre-buy inspection from a trusted mechanic is non-negotiable here. This is the one mechanics keep for themselves. It's not a car. It's a decades-long relationship. Here's the bottom line. Mechanics have information the average buyer doesn't. They see what breaks, what holds up, and what's genuinely worth your money. And the pattern is clear. Reliability, simplicity, and low cost of ownership beat badge prestige every single time. You don't need to spend $60,000 to get a great car. You need to spend $20,000 smarter. Now here's my question for you. Which one of these 5 would you actually buy? And if you're already driving one of them, drop your mileage in the comments. I want to see the numbers. If this opened your eyes, hit subscribe. We break down real car ownership data every week with zero sponsorships,